car is yellow. I got the yellow Lamborghini years. What else? I got the yellow. I don't know. We got a lot of Bentley, yellow Ferrari. This fuck nigga posted yellow car. I said, I was the first rapper with a 3D bill in it at Soulja Boy. Okay, cool. I let the shit go, right? I ain't say nothing. I said, whatever. I said, but fuck nigga, I did the flying Lambo 4 months ago on my birthday. Did I not? Flying Lambo 3D, same
That
thing.
looks like the Breakfast Club. Is that the Breakfast Club?
Hell no.
That shit lame as fuck. Boom.
He on IG Live.
Nah, he got
Yeah.
Alright, yeah.
He look like he in his apartment. I mean, in his house.
Might be because the way he tells stories. He sound like how he sounded on the Breakfast Club.
Key Glock. We don't bump Key Glock, bro. All the time. Bump Key Glock. Boom. It's cool.
What up, cuz?
Oh, it's still cool. This nigga don't talk about some, I'm an independent, I'm getting $100K a show. Man, stop it, nigga. I get in the motherfucking comments and say that's cap. Y'all signed to Empire. Y'all not independent. I'm independent. I'm not signed to no independent label, no major label. I put my own music out through SODMG Records and get 100% of all the money. Ricky Morty, all the money. I'm really independent, nigga. So what the fuck this really about?
He terrible at the best.
Yeah.
Are you saying the truth?
But a lie at? That you not signed to Empire?
This joint 10 minutes though, Pressure. You want me to play the
But nah, the joint should be shorter than that. It's like look, yeah, it ain't no.
Man, don't say what the nigga said.
So they mad that they signed.
Dolph
mad because he's.
I should say what the nigga said.
I already said what he said.
That's what it really about. This nigga mad because he signed to a motherfucking record deal and his whole thing is I'm independent. Nigga, you did I lie, nigga? You signed the Empire, stupid ass nigga. Why the fuck?
Big Draco.
Why the fuck you mad? You signed the motherfucking Empire, not me.
And we might can give him the 10, but break it up and shit. You know what I'm saying? Because this nigga funny for 10 minutes.
He funny as a bitch.
The fuck up and kept saying you were independent like that. If you weren't really independent, nigga, I wouldn't expose your ass. So you mean to tell me Key Glock can say on the first rapper with a 3D billboard, but I can't say you signed the Empire? And that's the end of it, nigga. Just like that. Yeah.
He said first rapper with the what?
Oh yeah, that's how it started. Like Key Glock posted something like on one of these social sites. Key Glock posted something and added Soulja. And that sounded like on the first one with a yellow, I think he said a yellow Lamborghini. I don't know. He said some yellow, blah, blah, blah. And Draco was like, niggas, you tripping. I did that already with a blah, 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 blah. And then niggas get to talking about how much they get in the show. And Big Draco start hollering, y'all niggas talk about y'all independent. You on the Empire, blah, blah, blah. It just spiraled out. You know what I'm saying?
Say, man, bitch ass nigga, y'all the one signed the deal, not me.
Say, man, bitch ass nigga.
See, I got caught watching this shit, waiting on the Ye shit, and this shit happened.
I ain't even watching the A shit.
Don't never speak upon.
Got some surprises for the guys too. I got some for the platform, for the fan, for everybody. Yeah, in the future, I ain't gonna speak on for this in the future.
Nigga, I'm still gonna bump my Key Glock. You feel me? I'm still gonna bump my motherfucking little.
Man, that nigga an actor, man.
Yeah, y'all got some free clout. Enjoy the views, bitch ass nigga. Enjoy the views. Enjoy the motherfucking clicks. Enjoy the internet shit. And nigga, that's it, nigga. And if y'all want it to be something else, it can be that. Nigga, what the fuck you talking about? Y'all ain't doing nothing but add me to the list of ops y'all got to already deal with. Oh, y'all want to be Draco on y'all ass too. Y'all already got enough.
This nigga funny, bro.
Right, he playing with them boys, man. He gotta be playing.
That deal, nigga. You signed the deal. Boy, not me.
This motherfucking Sesame's chicken hitting like a bitch. Dennis said, yeah.
Hey, I found something to snack on the top.
Niggas just don't like. At the end of the day, niggas just don't like me. They always taking some little shit to bring it out. Nigga, I already don't like Draco because they know what's up with me. I'm having the money. I'm fucking they bitches. They know what's up. They can't wait. They go a little something. Hold on. He said we ain't independent. Fuck Draco. Fuck Soulja. Ah, he a bitch. Wah. Nigga, you ain't never fuck with me no way. Because if you...
Oh, this nigga going off.
Yeah, we signed the Empire, man. Fuck that shit. So what? Yeah, we got to deal. So what? Boom. It wasn't even been all this, bro. Nigga, you been felt the way. Lame, man, nigga. They don't got the nerve.
Lame, man, nigga.
What's that, nigga? Didn't you just DM me last week? Tell me I hope I'm invited.
Soulja boy got goddamn mental issues, man.
No, he's smart. He's smart. He know what he doing.
He probably called Dolph after this and said, watch how many clicks you get, nigga.
Trying to come keep me. I don't fuck with y'all, right? Bitch ass nigga. And don't never say why I can't go, nigga, because I'll come to Memphis right now, fuck, nigga. But bitch,
oh yeah, he
I'm
really
doing a
got it now.
interview, bitch, and I'm on tour, bitch, and I got shows, and bitch, who is y'all niggas, and fuck y'all. Fuck nigga, just DM me, somebody he wanted to come to the party. Can I come to your party? No, man.
You swallowed it too fast, bro.
No, you can't come to my party. I did not respond to that.
Hey.
I did not respond to that nigga.
I dropped a piece of chicken in my dog's mouth, right? That bitch hit the back of his throat. He was like, oh. I never ain't get a chance to taste it. That nigga was looking at me like,
Hey, Demont funny, bro.
what is that?
I don't have no worries.
Hold on, I got the oh no, I ain't got it up.
It's never released a game console.
Not the show. I came here for coding. I came for
Yeah, I heard it coding in the background.
He said he can't put the C out. They got his ass, bro. They finally got him.
Who they got?
They finally got D-Mutt.
Game console. Get a whole
Oh, they got him, bro.
Uh-huh. You can't put the C on it no more.
It's nothing.
That nigga can't say his wild ass too. And they got you, cuz.
Man, can't you tell these niggas hoes? They hoes. Man, them niggas hoes, man.
Man, turn that nigga off, man.
That nigga probably got an email from an FBI agent.
Whoa.
D-Mon.
Yeah, they got it. They're like, hey, man, you can't keep doing that shit.
Hey, don't keep writing those.
D-Mutt hit him up. I'm black, though. I'm black.
Hold up. My bad, man.
Man, all us hungry.
Shut it 100 times again.
All right,
This
so,
lunch break, my bad.
what you said? This is a lunch break.
Uh-huh.
Meanwhile, man, shout out.
Chopsticks too.
Shit, I
Shit, I don't even want them on now, nigga.
Us coons? What happened? Thanks to us coons.
We did shit. Nigga said thanks to us. We did a damn thing. I'm pro cooning and bifooning, nigga. Shit.
We never ran from nothing, not ducking no phase and not running from no smoke. Especially now the nigga got shot at 100 times and was running and got shot in his ass and was
yeah, you heard him, bro. That nigga is funny, bro.
Yeah, I mean, wow.
That nigga said, especially from a nigga that got shot at 100 times, it was running. It got shot in the ass. Nigga funny, bro. Big Draco funny is a bitch, bro.
He do go in on niggas, man.
I ain't heard his whole like long ass rant. I just heard like clips of where he was going in, like he was screaming it when he was saying it, like fuck you want to try to come beef with me? I ain't beefing with no nigga that got shot at 100 times. La la la. You know what I'm saying? I said, man, this nigga funny as a bitch.
No, what he was saying about Empire though, technically it's not independent, but technically it is. They get 5% and you get 95%. It's distribution. So when most people say they independent, they mean that nobody fronts them money. Nobody is no machine or whatever. Empire don't really have a machine. You get to put out your album when you want to put it out. You could drop once a week if you want to. Empire just pushes your shit to like YouTube or on Spotify to put you on a damn on a.
Who's Empire?
Hey, bro, that's not independent, then, bro.
He ain't independent, bro. He's saying.
You see how you see everything you were saying in the beginning is independence until you started to name the fact that they put you on these platforms, Spotify, blah blah blah. They doing it. They're working for you. You it looks like that.
Oh, I can't.
But they're working.
If he's saying like
the difference,
if he's saying they just like when you have a business,
you might get a better percentage, but you have a record deal.
No, like I'm saying how Diddys. I think Diddys saying like people that own like a business, but they get other people to handle they payments, like they check systems and shit.
For example, right here, boom. That was
like they payroll. They get other people to do their payroll. Like it's company.
Do you know what's on Empire? I think we get tricked with these words, independent and not independent. Do you know what's on Empire?
Though?
Huh?
No, Paper Route Empire is the name of Dolph shit, but Empire is an entity on itself, just Empire.
Oh, it's a
lot of it's a label. There's a lot of people who was hey bro, you know what, bro? King Von was under Empire. Mo 3 was under Empire.
Oh, independent. They
ain't independent.
This what I'm saying.
Fabio Foreign, Empire.
Let me finish.
Hey, Diddys.
Yo.
They ain't independent. Them niggas signed.
You know Fabio Foreign was signed to Mace.
Watch this.
Go ahead. I'm listening to you.
They own their masters. How about that? Empire do not.
How you know that?
Masters.
How you figure that? How you know that?
That's what make you independent.
I was trying to do this example the whole time, but all right.
Go ahead, let me do the example.
That's just like my dad owned his own business, right? I know plenty of people own their own business. I can pay Google that when people Google roofing businesses, my business pop up first. I can pay ADP to do my payroll. They do my payroll. They tie me in with certain people. So monthly I pay them a fee. That's morally what Empire is like. You own your own business. Years from now, when Dolph and them like they music and all that, their kids are gonna get paid off that. When you sign a record company, right now, a nigga could go and sample some shit that was your song, and you could not want them to sample it. But because you signed to that record label can give the clearance on your shit.
Right, because they're on the rights.
Empire can't do that. Dolph has to give the clearance for his shit to be. It's a lot of different shit. Distribution and
so you believe Dolph when Dolph say he independent?
Yeah, if you get 95% of your money, you're independent.
But that's just I don't believe that. I don't believe he's getting 95% of his money. I don't believe that. But
hell no.
Okay.
Nigga, the manager gotta get 10. God damn.
See, that's all right. That's out of your money though.
You think he's splitting his money? I mean, the money getting split 5% between everybody else. Who the niggas getting 5% of everything he make? No, they ain't even getting 5%. That'll be getting a point percent for everybody that's working for him if he get 95% of his money.
No,
shit, taxes don't do that.
I'm not talking about literally.
How you said, D-Mike? I mean, how you said, Mike?
I'm saying that when it comes to him and Empire, when the first
he don't get 95% of his money.
Yeah, that's the point of being independent. That's the point of having only distribution. He only has.
I see what he's saying. He just got distribution through him.
Let me ask you this: you remember when 300 was popping?
I'm gonna put it this way. I'm about to Google who Young Dolph passed. He's saying, bro.
It's industry people that's running these places. So I'm asking you this.
Bro, man, what the fuck is my weed at, man?
Reminded me.
You remember 300? You remember everything, like how 300 whole thing was?
And niggas.
You talking about Sparta?
Nah, 300. This nigga funny.
That's
I'm about
Young
to say the
Thug
record.
to them, Migos, a whole bunch of niggas. They're not distribution.
I'm saying that industry niggas. I'm saying that industry niggas is getting behind these quote unquote independents, and they're using their industry plugs, and they're working together, and they're not just industry. They worked at major companies. They were major. Leo Colin was a major nigga. You know what I'm saying? And then he went to running through. Man, my bad, man. I'm on here trying to eat while I'm trying to talk at the same. But goddamn.
Hey, bro.
I don't know.
Hey, I feel what he's saying, though. If it's just a distribution deal, they ain't doing nothing but pushing his music, helping him push his music. He's saying, fuck that shit.
I understand.